Welcome, dear students. Last time I teach you the different activities revolving around the trade. Next point is elements of economics, means what is the economy. In today lecture I teach you the economics. First definition of economics. First, the word economics is derived from two Greek words. Okios means household. Household means in-house. These people working for their house and their work, their need, all their management means naming means management. This economics means the management of household. Means, for example, any house. In this house, any people for work for their house, their need, or their money management, or their all the household management is called as the economy of this house, or all this household is called as economy. Economy is a social science concerned with the employment of sacred resources of society. Means society's employment means job. They having alternative used to produce goods and services. Which society which produce the goods means the product, and they provide the services. All these conquer with the economy. Next is, according to Dr. Herschel, economics is a study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. It explains that part of individual and social action which is most likely closely connected with the attainment and use of material required of well-being. One means all the material once the human being wants the all the material is conquer with the economy. Means all the material needed to human body to provide the human body is conquer with according to the economy. It's called as the is economic activity. Basically, business is an economic activity. Economic activity are those activity which is conquer with the acquiring and use of wealth. Means how to use the money in the production, in the marketing is called as the economy. Economy means money. In indirect mean is money. How to use the wealth, how to use the money is called as economy. These the main branches of economy. First branch is descriptive economics. Second is economic theory, and third is applied economics. First is descriptive economics, means it describes the relevant facts about an economic field such as the Indian agriculture, industry, foreign trade. Means in this part, first is branch of descriptive economics conquer with the Indian agriculture, industry, and foreign trade. Conquer with the industry, industrial production, industrial packaging, all the department is conquer with this first descriptive economics and agriculture field. Second is economic theory. It explains the functioning of an economic system. For example, it explains as to how price of product and product service are determined. In this, the any product produced from the industry, their judgment, their fix of their price of the particular product is in this second theory is according to second theory. Plus second is economic theory to fix the product price. Third is applied economics. An economic analysis is made with the view to ascertaining the causes and significance of economic events. All the economics events, money transactions are according to this third theory, applied economics. In order to study the elements of economics, the following aspects of economics may be taken. First aspect is economic activities, and second is economic system. What is the economic activities? To satisfy the various needs with limited resources, the following economics can be adopted. Means satisfy the various needs of any human being. In this is called as economic activities, conquer with the economic activities. First, in an industrial house drugstore economy can be adopted in the purchase of raw material. Means drugstore economy means the industrial house drugstore economy. In this section, the purchase of raw material or drugs, only the required of raw materials and their two according to economic order and quantity are purchased. As per the economy, the purchase of raw material and then limited number of technical and non-technical person are employed in the industry. Only those type of product and services are produced which is economically profitable, to our industry. Only these products are produced this type of product are and services are produced or provided. Then buying and selling of goods and services should be done by economically, that is the at the time of buying any product minimum rate should be quoted, but at the time of selling a product it must be sold to by taking into consideration of margin of profit. Means any product to sold, it is a margin, means 20%, 30% is margin to our industry, then it is sold out at this type of price or on any price. Different type of economic activity means first in economic activity is business. Business means the economic activity which is primarily done with the purpose of earning profit. Means main aim of business is to provide or means to earning the profit. It involves the production of goods in the industry and service on a regular basis and carries an element of risk. Means business activity. In this economic activity, first is business. Business is the earn the profit and earn the money. And then second, profession. Profession means the any professional business you can doing. Means the profession means an occupation which involves the industry. Mean occupation means any profession, for example pharmacist profession, doctor profession, nursing profession, any profession in this earning the money is the second section, means profession. Third is employment. Employment means you can doing the job in to any organization, any company or any for example in Marathi the Sanstha, you can doing a job is called as in this section, means employment. Third. Then second is economical activity, and then second is economical system. An economical system denote the economic relationship which arise in the community from the organization or mode of production and distribution, which is arise in the community from the organization, any organization or mode of production and distribution of their goods. The economic system should be simple and easy for human beings to satisfy their wants, their uses. It satisfies the economic system. Human wants the any type of product or any service is provided by the economic system. It is all depend on the kind of economic system which is adopted by a particular country. For example, any country, how the resources are allocated, prices are fixed rate, any product price are fixed rate. Then types of economic system is first type is capitalist system. According to capitalist system, it is a private system. The producers are free to acquire any property or produce any product. Means any producer, any industrial owner is produce any product from his industry and sold. Consumer are free to use any product in an amount to their satisfy their wants. Means any production or any producer their wants to satisfy their consumer or their customers in any price according to their economic system. They are also to liberty, means it's independent to spend their income in any way they like, and they any way to liberty to spend their income sources. According to the system, means of production and distribution are generally in the hands of private owner. Not in this system, not interference of the government or any public. It is a private system. It's one owner or partnership owner in this system. In this system, the role of government is to protect the producer and consumer, so to avoid the unhealthy competition. Means to only role of this government in this section is to protect the producer and consumer to avoid the unhealthy competition or unhealthy product or rate determination is essential in this system. Advantages of the capitalist system is better economic development, increased production, improvement in science and technology sphere. Then social system means the according to the system, large and basic industry are owned and controlled by the government. Large and basic industry in this system are there in social system, and it is not a private, it is controlled by the government. Even distribution is also controlled by the government. Advantage is reduction in equality of income. Inequality of income is reduced, and then the fair distribution of consumer goods, means fair distribution, all the same distribution of goods and their prices are advantage is equality is reduced in this section. Third is mixed economy. Means it is a government, also it is a private, means social system and the capitalist system are mixed in this mixed economy. It means some economic activities are controlled by the government and some economic activities controlled by the public in this section. Okay, thank you. Today's lecture I have teach the economics. Next lecture I have teach the pharmaceutical management. Okay, thank you.